In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a stock on Webull, with a particular focus on understanding the different order types available to you. Webull is a popular trading platform that offers a range of tools and features for both new and experienced investors. Whether you're just starting your journey in the stock market or looking to refine your trading skills, knowing how to efficiently place stock orders is essential. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Webull account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Webull website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice the interface designed to be user-friendly, with various options and tools at your fingertips. Now, let's get started. Look towards the top left corner of the screen where you should see the Web Trade option. This is your gateway to accessing the trading functions on the platform. Click on it, and this will take you to the main trading area where you can manage your investments. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll find a section labeled Stocks. Clicking on this will take you to a list of available stocks. This area is crucial as it provides an overview of the stock market, displaying various tickers and their current status. It's a great place to start if you're searching for a specific stock or simply browsing potential investment opportunities. Once you've navigated to the Stocks section, it's time to decide which stock you're interested in purchasing. Take your time to research and choose a stock that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. When you've made your decision, click on the stock to bring up more detailed information. Now that you've selected a stock, you'll see various options and order types. Understanding these order types is key to executing trades that match your strategy. The most common order types include market orders, where you buy at the current market price, and limit orders, where you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. There are also stop orders, which become market orders once a set price is reached, and stop limit orders, which combine the features of stop orders and limit orders. Each type serves a specific purpose, so familiarize yourself with them to make informed decisions. With your stock and order type selected, you can proceed to enter the quantity of shares you wish to purchase. Double-check your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident, submit the order and it will be processed according to the parameters you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully placed a stock order on Webull. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue exploring and learning about the various features Webull offers to enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching and happy trading.